y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are unboxing a Wantable box. I have not done one of these and I couldn't even tell you how long. I mean, I guess I could if I looked online. I think it's probably been about 3 months because the last time I got a box, I wasn't in love with everything. So I went online to my profile and updated the frequency of when I receive a box to every 3 months, I'm pretty sure. So when I got a notification that this one shipped, it was news to me because I didn't request one. So I thought that it would be fun to sit here and do an unboxing and try on with you because I haven't peeked inside this box. I mean, I peeked sort of, like I just kind of filtered through to see what was in there, but I didn't pull things out, open them up, try them on, or anything like that. Now, Wantable is a clothing subscription service. If you're not familiar, you pay a fee, a stylist curates a box for you, it comes in, you try everything on, what you love, you keep and pay for, what you don't really care for, you send back. So it is a little bit pricey. I feel like Wantable is very comparable, in my opinion, to, let's say, Stitch Fix or Trunk Club. Like, the prices are sort of somewhere in between those. Now, you do get quite a few things to choose from. I think it was like 7 or 8 items, if I'm remembering correctly, in this box. So there are quite a few things in there. However, I've also done videos in the past where I've compared prices in subscription services to prices of the exact same items or similar items that I can find online. And chances are you can usually find them a little bit less expensive online, but you also run the risk of not being able to find these items at all. I know a lot of these subscription services work with brands to create specific items for boxes. So therefore you can't go into a store and find it, it's only in the box, which I kind of like and think is cool because chances are you have something that very few other people have. So I do like that aspect of it. So we are going to try everything on. I will list on the screen what I'm wearing, what size I'm wearing, and how much it is. I will also list everything in the description box down below. That way, if you like something and want to purchase it and not sign up for the box, it will be there. But I will also leave a link to sign up for Wantable if you are interested. I know they do women's, obviously. They do straight sizes and plus sizes. They do men's, and they have a workout or active wear section. So it kind of fits multiple purposes. I'm not sure if they do kids. I don't remember reading that. But anyway, all of that information is in the description box down below. I'm excited for this video because, like I said, it's been a while since I've gotten a box. So let's get into it. Okay, hear me out. I was most excited for this at the top. We'll start with that, and then we'll get into these jeans. So this up top is the brand Liverpool. It's called the Boyfriend Blazer with removable hood in black, size 2X, $119. So it's a one-piece type set. So it's a blazer, yes, you can see, with this gray hoodie with all sorts of zippers and buttons on the inside. So if you wanted just the blazer, then you can like unzip all these and take the hoodie out, and then you have just a blazer. That's sort of genius, right? But I thought it was cute with this little sporty look. I do think this is too small. It's weird because this under here fits fine, but it's like once you button the jacket, it's a little bit snug, but it's such a cute idea. When I pulled this out, I was like, I think this might be my favorite thing. So I would want this in a size larger, but I do think this is such a cute little take on dressy, but make it a little bit sporty. Here's a look at it from the back as well. So it is an actual hoodie that you can wear. I love this. I hate that it's a little bit small because I love everything about it. All right, so these pants are the brand Democracy. They're called the Absolution Straight Leg Pant and Malbec, M-A-L-B-E-C, in a size 20W, $78. These fit perfect. They do have quite a bit of stretch in them, like the elastic band around the waist is really comfortable. I think this color is really pretty. I'm sort of getting into the straight leg as well. And here's a look at the back. So they sort of look like jeans, but they're more of a dress pant material. I just thought that this outfit would be so much cuter like put on some sneakers with it, but it's just not really doing it for me. The pants are very comfortable. I like the idea of this. I just think the sizes are a little bit off. I feel like we're going to run into a problem with the tops being just a little bit too small. So this one, the brand is Standards and Practices. It's called the Marley Ruffle Flare Sleeve Top in Oyster Floral. It is $78. It's gorgeous on the picture. I think my chest is just maybe a little bit too big because in the photo she's not wearing anything underneath it and it doesn't show her bra or anything. But I think the fit is really pretty with the bell sleeve. It's a little bit more snug. It is a wrap style with a zipper, which I think is nice. I like it a little bit cropped, especially with these jeans that I'm wearing. We'll talk about those in a second. It's just, I'm afraid to let it go. Maybe I could pin it if I liked it that much, but I feel like that's a little bit too much work. Let's get into the bottom. So these are the Liverpool brand. They're called the Gia Slider Slim and Dorsey, a size 20W. They're $98. I'm just gonna hold this here so that I can talk about the jeans and not feel weird. So these slide on. This is a button, yes, but it's fake. There's no button, there's no zip, it's all fake. The front pockets are real. These are so comfortable. Oh my gosh, super high-waisted. This is my belly button. You can see the top of these jeans. For $98, that's a lot of money. But these are so comfortable. And they're almost like the perfect booty length. And here's what they look like from the back. Real pockets in the back. I love the pants. 100% love these. They're just pricey. You know what I'm saying? But they feel so nice. Next top, this is the brand Sanctuary in a size 2X. It's called the Clara Waffle Top in Abstract Animal Bordeaux. It is $59. So it's sort of like a mock neck. No, probably more like turtleneck because I have enough to roll over. This is so cute. I love the cuff sleeve here. And it kind of gives it a little bit more of a balloon sleeve, a slight balloon sleeve. I think this animal print is really pretty. I don't own anything this color or this pattern. It's super soft. I think the 2X was a good fit. It's more of like a boxy type top. It's 97% polyester, 3% elastane. I do know the brand Sanctuary and I like it. So I'm more inclined to keep something that I know I like, that I know is good quality because I've had it in the past and washed it and all that fun stuff. Here's what it looks like from the back. This one might be a keeper, y'all. It's just so cozy and soft and comfy. All right, I do have one more top, which I know is too small, but I'll still show you, and a pair of jeans. Last outfit, I kind of expected this. So we'll go with the top first. The brand is Democracy. It's called the High-Low Foil Tee in Silver Peony in a size 2X. It's $44. It's gorgeous, the color. I mean, it's this really pretty peony, I feel like is the perfect way to describe it. This beautiful bit of a shimmer top. You can see through it. However, to be fair, I think that's because I'm in front of these harsh lights. I like the bit of a cuff sleeve, the little bit of a higher neck I think is really pretty. Here's what it looks like from the back. It is a bit longer in the back and shorter in the front. These jeans, they don't fit. I can't get them to button. They're the Vigoss brand. They're called the Marley Mid-Rise Destructed Skinny with Cutoff Hem in a size 20W light wash, $84. I mean, like I probably could, but it's just, why? They don't fit. Let's talk final thoughts. So you've seen everything in my box. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Here's what I want to say. I sort of remember why I changed the frequency of getting these boxes. I feel like the only thing that I really love is this. And I don't know if I would pick it myself. Like, do I love it that much, or am I loving it because it's the only thing that was remotely kind of my style and fit me properly in this box? I did also like these Democracy straight leg jeans. This color is really pretty. They were super comfortable. They did sit right below my belly button, which is not really my style. So there's all of those things. The Liverpool pull-on like cropped jeans, I love them, but $98. I don't know if that's in my budget. I don't know why I say that. I know it's not in my budget to keep $100 jeans. So the total for everything in my box is $560. So that's a little bit pricey. However, if you keep all 5 things, they do give you a discount. So that would bring the total down to $448. You also get your styling fee credited toward whatever you choose to keep. So that's another 20 bucks. So that would be $228. Nope, $428. You just watched math go awry in my head. I know a lot of people out there that love Wantable. It's just maybe not for me. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I apologize that it wasn't like super upbeat and everything was amazing, but I'm going to go ahead and post it because I think it's important too to show you, hey, sometimes like this box doesn't really work for me. And I think that's worth showing. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I don't think, let me add this too before I say goodbye. My sizes are correct. I just think that the items in this box run small because I have shopped so many other places and so many other boxes. I am a size 20 and plus size across the board. I'm typically a size 2X or a 3X in tops. So I think that these items just run small. I would have liked for my stylist to know that and maybe sized up for me. But anyway, I just want to put that out there that these are my typical sizes. I think these just run small. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.